Hey TikTok creators, are you ready to take your content to the next level? Want to make viral TikToks in minutes? Imagine creating videos that capture attention and go viral without spending hours editing. I'm here to show you how to create attention-grabbing content using InVideo AI. This tool is designed to simplify your video creation process and make it more efficient. Trust me, it's a game changer. Whether you're a seasoned creator or just starting out, InVideo AI has something for everyone. First up, InVideo AI makes video creation super easy. You don't need to be a tech wizard to use it. Just enter a text prompt and boom. The AI takes care of the rest, transforming your ideas into stunning videos. You've got a fully fledged video ready to go. It's like having a professional video editor at your fingertips, but way faster and more intuitive. It's like having your own personal video editor, but way faster. No more waiting around for edits to be done. You know how important trends are on TikTok. Staying relevant is key to getting more views and followers. With InVideo AI, you're always on top of them. The AI constantly monitors trending content to ensure your videos are always in vogue. The AI analyzes trending content and tailors your videos to fit current trends. No more guessing games, and let's talk features. InVideo AI is packed with tools that make your videos stand out. InVideo AI adds voiceovers, subtitles, music, and sound effects to your videos. These elements are crucial for engaging your audience and keeping them hooked. Imagine having all these tools in one place. No need to switch between different apps or software. It's a shortcut to professional-looking TikToks without the hassle. Your videos will look polished and ready for the spotlight. Want to add some flair? InVideo AI has got you covered with a variety of special effects and creative tools. Use AI-generated images and videos. These assets are high quality and can give your content a unique edge. They're all integrated into InVideo AI 3.0. This latest version is more powerful and user-friendly than ever. No need for multiple tools. Everything you need is right there in one place, making your workflow seamless and efficient. Everything you need is right there. Efficiency at its finest, folks. You can focus on what you do best, being creative. Efficiency at its finest, folks. Imagine the time you'll save, allowing you to create even more content. So, how do you get started? It's simple and quick. Just check the link below to start for free. You can explore all the features and see for yourself how InVideo AI can transform your TikTok game. Seriously, why waste time when you can make killer TikToks in minutes? The faster you create, the more you can post, and the more you post, the higher your chances of going viral. Remember, the key to TikTok success is engagement and trends. The more you engage with your audience, the more they will engage with your content. InVideo AI handles it all so you can focus on being creative. Let the AI take care of the technical stuff while you focus on your creative vision. Get out there and make some viral TikToks. The world is waiting for your unique content. Alright, that's it for today. I hope you're as excited as I am about the possibilities with InVideo AI. Hit the link and let InVideo AI do the magic. Happy creating. Your journey to viral TikToks starts now.